Good day, viewers, and welcome back to Her Nature and Health. On our last video, we were talking about bitter leaves, the uses of it, and it was very interesting. And a lot of people have been coming in, said, "How can I take it?" and all that. So today, we bring to you a very important another greenwich leaves that benefit humans, and that greenwich leaves that can be eaten and becomes and still be healthy. That is why on this our health and nature is not something of we are going back. It's something that we are going to do it, and we must succeed, and we must be in a good health. So today specifically we are going to talk about spinach. A spinach is a greenish, nutritious green leaves of vegetables. So that bring us a lot of nutritions, and the uses of it will amaze you. Sometimes you may not know. Spinach is very, very good in our lives. So we need to start this thing. You plant it at your backyard, you have it. So as so twins, when you want to cook something like rice, you can slice them to make them to be like salads. Yeah, you can put them, slice them. You can use them as water leaves and use and cook your normal soup. Use and cook rice, and use and put in all those things, so that we can remain healthy. So somebody will see us say, is it not this thing? The other is not so bad for me. The other is so flavorized to my own taste, and I love it so much. Compare with the benefit which I'm about to reveal it to you. Here are some health benefits that spinach bring to humans. God know all these things before he put everything to work and to be in place. So the number one benefits of this very leaf spinach, this greenwich leaves called spinach, is nothing than it has it help the ageist people. Yeah, very well. It's very vitamin. It has rich in vitamins. It's very rich in vitamins. Some vitamin like A, K, C, and so on. It's very, 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 very much. Its health benefit is very high in. It's very, very high in good health. It's very high because when we talk about the spinach leaves here, is very high in good source. It's very good source of fiber. So fiber like that maintains contain all those things that maintains our digesting systems and all those things. Is very good in very high in all some antioxidants, something like lutein, like cystatin, and carotene. So all those things very good in our body, which helps us in so many fields, something like high in vitamin A, C, and so. So what are those things? Those vitamin A's, what are those benefits of it? The benefit, the health benefit of all this spinach, and what can this health benefit offer to us? So one of the health benefits is it helps in eye, especially those that have eye issue. It helps you to maintain your eyes level. You can see perfectly. So all those things, because it contains some flavonoids part of it. It contains a lot of these things, a lot of protein and all that, and also it helps in preventing cancer preventions. Yeah, you've been good, been eating it, taking it often. It very helps in cancer, reducing cancer, to prevent cancer. Our people used to say cancer prevention is better than cure. So why not you grab this opportunity, be planting it and be eating it, applying to your lives. It helps in eyes, that is number one. It's very helps to prevent cancer, that is number two. It's very, very good in heart. Yeah, it's very good in heart because if something like cardio first lamb, it's very good in all those things. It helps in heart diseases, something like cardiovascular. So all these things helps because of the anti this thing that it contains in it and all those nutrition that it has in his body. So all those things good in our body. So it has ions in it, very, very good in iron, something like cashews and vitamin K is inside. So it helps a lot, very high in ions. Iron is very high, which helps in our bone to maintain our bone essential as essential minerals. It's very helps in our bones to make our bones strong, all those things, because let's make great lives abide to you. Not every time you rush to the hospital, not every time, because if you can prevent all those things, you can remain healthy. If you can prevent all those things and be start using it and properly, you cut cost of going to hospitals and all these things wouldn't happen to us. So let us be not all the time fry something. So if you just put it, if you want to cook your indomie, you just slice some little bit and put inside them and this thing, your food. It helps you as you eat, consuming it. It helps in heart, as I said before. It helps in eyes, as I said before. You have to prevent cancer, as first mentioned before. It helps in all these things because it's very high in vitamins. It's very high in antioxidants. It contain all those antioxidants and it's good source of fiber, which can help in your health benefit digestions. If you have problems in something you can eat, you cannot release it, digest very well. Sometimes all those things it helps in your digestive system. And other source of it is very support to bone health. I've said it before, it support bone health, make your bone to be strong. As your bone is strong enough, you can withstand seminars on all those people. You can let's make these things our friend. Let's make our clean leaves our friends. So it reduces inflammations. Very, very important. It reduces the inflammations and all these things. We apply it to our own lady lives and lady applying it, keep on applying it. Let this thing be happy, not to eat your food like that without any vegetable inside them. As it goes on, I will refuse more vegetable to be using it, as this thing spinach helps in eye. That is, it reduce the that ages degenerations when getting all your eyes. It helps to reduce it because of those things it contains inside. Those vitamins, those minerals, those ions of stuff of eating. This is amazing. God has put everything, create everything, and put them inside this thing. And those people that developed it mix it with chemical. That is sometimes the chemical, because the more you are taking in these antibiotics, swallow these drugs, you are killing some cells. Rather, why don't you use the natural way to make sure these things is certain? I still remain thank you for watching. If you have any comments or you don't know or any support, you can put it in in the comment sections below. So thank you for watching. I still remain Samuel Ekban. See you next week. Thank you.